What if your employee ID badge could schedule your entire day, transcribe your meetings, and coordinate across every app in your company, all without you touching a single screen? That is exactly what Microsoft just revealed recently, and it is called Project Solara. This is a platform that Microsoft believes will define the next era of computing, and after going through every detail of the announcement, I can tell you this is one of the most ambitious ideas Microsoft has put forward in years. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly what Solara is, how it works, what makes it genuinely different, and why the tech industry is paying very close attention. Let's start with the big picture. Right now, the way you use a computer is built around apps. You open Outlook, then you switch to Excel, then you jump to Teams, then back to a browser. Every task requires you to navigate, click, and manage. Microsoft's argument with Project Solara is that this model is about to become obsolete. Instead of apps that you open, the future is agents that you invoke. An AI agent understands what you need, goes across multiple systems, takes action, and brings results back to you, without you managing the journey. Solara is the platform Microsoft built specifically to make that vision real, on dedicated hardware designed from the ground up for agents, not apps. Now let's talk about the two concept devices Microsoft revealed, because this is where things get really interesting. The first device is a desk companion. Think of a small smart display that sits right next to your PC. It wakes up when you walk in front of it, recognizes your face using Hello for Business facial recognition, and immediately surfaces the most important things on your agenda. It knows your Outlook calendar, your Excel data, your Microsoft 365 tasks. You can talk to it with your voice, ask it to pull up information, brief you on your schedule, or kick off a task. And here's the part that makes it genuinely powerful. If you plug an external monitor into it via USB-C, it transforms into a full Windows 365 cloud PC client, meaning Windows runs entirely in the cloud and streams directly to that screen. So this little desk device is not just an agent companion, it is also a full PC when you need it to be, without any local Windows installation required. The second device is even more striking, a wearable badge. Not a smartwatch, not a phone, a badge you clip to your shirt or hang on a lanyard, the same spot where most employees already wear their company ID. This badge runs on Qualcomm wearable silicon and has a touchscreen, a camera, a far-field microphone array, 5G connectivity, and a fingerprint sensor for Hello for Business authentication. You press your finger on it once, and an AI agent wakes up and is ready to help. One tap records audio and begins transcribing. The camera lets you point it at something and give the agent visual context. Healthcare was highlighted here as a prime use case. Imagine a nurse wearing this badge that listens during a patient interaction, understands the clinical context through Dragon Copilot, and documents the visit automatically. In industries like healthcare, retail, and logistics, where workers are constantly on the move and cannot stop to type, that kind of capability is a real productivity shift. Now let's go deeper into the platform itself, because the hardware is only part of the story. Project Solara is described by Microsoft as a chip-to-cloud platform. That means it manages everything from the processor on the device all the way up to the cloud services the agents connect to. The desk companion runs on MediaTek IoT silicon, while the badge runs on Qualcomm wearable silicon. Both choices that keep the devices affordable and power efficient. But here's the detail that surprised everyone. Solara does not run Windows. It runs on MDEP, which stands for Microsoft Device Ecosystem Platform, an enterprise-grade operating system Microsoft built on top of AOSP, the Android open source project. Microsoft made a deliberate choice to build on Android's foundation for this platform, and the reason makes complete sense once you think about it. Android has massive hardware compatibility, a huge ecosystem of drivers, and it's already optimized for small, power-efficient devices. Building on Windows for these kinds of lightweight, agent-first gadgets would add unnecessary weight. Microsoft is being pragmatic here, and it signals a real maturity in their thinking. On the software side, Solara connects deeply into Microsoft 365 Copilot, Researcher, Facilitator, Priority Agent, and GitHub Copilot. It also uses an open architecture, meaning third-party agents built through Microsoft 365 Agent Suite, Copilot Studio, or the Microsoft Agent Framework can run on Solara devices as well.
Enterprise security and device management go through Intune and Entra ID, the tools IT departments already know well. The devices also include a Have Mic mute button and physical privacy controls, which matters a lot for enterprise deployments where security policies are strict. In terms of who's already testing this, Microsoft has lined up some serious names for early pilots. AccuWeather, Best Buy, CVS Health, Levi's, and Target are all on board. On top of that, hundreds of Microsoft employees are already using the concept devices internally, which means this is not just a concept video. The hardware works and real people are using it. It's worth being honest about where Solara stands right now. These are reference designs, not finished products on store shelves. Microsoft is not building and selling these two concept devices directly. They're showing hardware partners what is possible and inviting them to build their own Solara devices. There's no consumer release date. But the platform is real, the hardware is functional, the agents work, and the enterprise partners are signed. The foundation is genuinely built. Now here's the question I want you to answer in the comments. Which of these two devices would actually change how you work? The desk companion that turns into a cloud PC, or the wearable badge that puts an AI agent on your shirt? Because I think the answer says a lot about where AI is really heading, and I would genuinely love to read what you think. What Microsoft is betting on with Project Solara is that the shift from apps to agents creates an entirely new category of hardware, small, affordable, purpose-built devices that sit alongside your existing laptop or phone and handle the coordination work that currently eats your time. Not a replacement for your PC, not a replacement for your phone, a third kind of device optimized for a new kind of computing. Whether that bet pays off depends on whether agents become as central to work as Microsoft believes they will. Based on the trajectory of AI over the last 2 years, that's not a bad bet to make.